Hey, your client just called. You missed an appointment with him. If you keep going like this, how are you gonna pay the bills? Without the proper management tool for your service business. So, what is Zoho FSM? In short, it's a field service management tool designed to make your life easier and your service team smarter. It's like giving your business an ultimate tech makeover, transforming chaos into cool, automated workflows, and in general, smoother communication. Before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. With Zoho FSM you can manage everything, from customer requests to tracking job statuses, and all from the palm of your hand. Who doesn't love that? Zoho FSM isn't just for one type of business. It is used in every field you can imagine, from plumbers fixing pipes to technicians installing complex systems, and even delivery services keeping your packages on track. So whether you are managing installations, repairs or maintenance, Zoho FSM's got your back. So basically, if your team needs to move and groove in the field, Zoho FSM is like your dance partner. Still not convinced? Let's talk about pain. You know the drill. Missed appointments, scheduling headaches, service delays, frustrated customers. Been there, done that, right? Basically, Zoho FSM smooths out those bumps by automating schedules, assigning jobs and even sending notifications. So no more surprises. Plus, your team will always be in the loop. Alright, and now let's talk about setup. Don't worry, you don't need a PhD in tech in order to get started. You just log in, set up your services, add your team members and voila, you're good to go. It's all about creating your service workflows and defining which tasks get done first. No IT degree required, just a few clicks and you're ready to rock. Setting up Zoho FSM is easier than choosing pizza toppings. Now let's get to the fun part, using it. Once you're all set up, all you have to do is just sit back and let Zoho do all the magic. Your team gets real-time updates, can track job progress, update statuses and even check in with customers. Basically, it keeps your service efficient and your customers happy. Ready to take your business to the next level? Let's make it happen. Book a free consultation with one of our Zoho professionals and we will tell exactly how Zoho FSM can help your business. Don't forget to like, subscribe and let me know what you think about this video.